If your pot lid doesn't have a handle, just use an empty toothpaste tube. Cut off the top part, insert it into the hole, and tighten it with the cap. Now your pot has a handle again. Pretty clever, right? A genius idea for making a simple funnel to pour oil or grease using just a bottle and its cap. Heat the bottle cap a little, don't let it melt too much. Then push a hole through it with a toothpick. Put the cap back on and you've got yourself an oil bottle. Pretty cool, right? Making a beautiful lantern using simple materials. You can easily make one too. Pretty cool, right? A genius idea using just a spoon and a lighter. You can make something really useful with them. Simply tape the spoon and lighter together, then light the lighter to heat up the spoon. Once the spoon is hot, press it onto plastic to seal it shut. If you're skilled, you can make it look really neat. Pretty cool, right? Cut the can like in the example, then attach the pieces back together. Make 5 small holes, then attach a funnel to one of them. Next, make a handle and glue it tightly so it stays firm. Finally, make a lid. And there you go, a cute little teapot. Pretty cool, right?